Guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute zero waste food wraps. These food wraps are made with organic beeswax, are bendy and moldable, and can be used to wrap up sandwiches or small snacks, wrap up veggies or cheese, and placed in the fridge or cover a bowl that doesn't have a lid. All the information and list of supplies I use for this project will be listed at my blog. Those links are in the information icon as well as down below. And also, if you make these, I would love to see them, so please hook up with me on all my social media. All those links are below. So if you're interested in learning how to make these adorable food wraps, then stick around. Okay, so for this project you will need some adorable cotton or linen fabric. You want to have a natural fiber, then some beeswax pellets, and some jojoba oil. You don't necessarily need jojoba oil, but it is an antimicrobial, so it will help to preserve the longevity of your wrap. And then you will take some aluminum foil and just line a cookie sheet. So from here I'm just going to cut out some fabric. I'm going to cut out a 10-inch by 10-inch piece, and then I cut out probably a 9-inch in diameter circle. I do have a list of all sizes for different types of snacks and such over at my blog, just just for reference, what size you would need for a sandwich, let's say. Okay, so after that you're going to take your fabric, make sure that it has been washed. So if you do buy it from a store, make sure that you wash it good, because we want to get all of the chemicals that are inside the fabric out. And then we will place that onto a cookie sheet with the right side facing down, and then we will put a layer of the pellets on top. So you're just going to want to have enough so that when it does melt, it completely saturates the fabric. So I'm going to place it in the oven for a couple minutes. It didn't take long, 2 to 4 minutes. I did it at about 350 Fahrenheit, and then when you pull it out, it should look like this. And then straight away we are going to pick up the fabric. If the fabric isn't completely saturated, this is where I will kind of just move it around and get the excess to go where where there is no wax. But from here I'm going to lift it up. It is a little bit hot, but it does cool down quite quickly, so it's not too bad. And then I'm just going to let the excess wax drip down, and then we're gonna just hang it there. You can wave it in the wind a little bit. If you're doing it outside, then that will make things go a little bit faster, or if you have a little tabletop fan, you can have that close by just to make this process go a little bit quicker. But it really only takes 2 or 3 minutes for it to completely harden, and then it will look like this, very stiff. So now I'm just going to crumple up my aluminum foil and toss it in the garbage, and then I will figure out what I want to do with the edges of my wraps. There might be some wax buildup from when you dripped it, so you could just trim it with a straight edge scissors or your rotary cutter, but I'm choosing to use my pinking shears just to create a decorative edge. If you have a rotary cutter with a wavy blade, then that is perfect and will give you a very beautiful edge also. I've had one of these in my stash forever and had no idea what to use it for, and this was absolutely perfect, and I love how crisp and just pretty it looks. So after that, then you are basically done. So you can take it to your kitchen and wrap up your foods and start your quest to a zero waste lifestyle. When you are using it, the warmth of your hands will help mold the wraps around your food and around the tops of your bowls. And when you want to wash it, you just put it in some cool soapy water and clean it off, and then you can let it dry and then use it again. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be alerted of future tutorials. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!